Welcome to our channel. BBVA USA rewards cards offer points and benefits that enhance your spending power. Activating your card and claiming your rewards points is essential to maximize these benefits. Step 1. Remove your BBVA USA rewards card from its envelope and check for any activation instructions or welcome materials that came with it. Step 2. Visit the BBVA USA website or download the BBVA USA mobile app from your device's app store if you prefer mobile activation. Step 3. Log into your BBVA account using your existing credentials. If you're a new cardholder, register for online access, first using your card details and personal information. Step 4. Navigate to the Credit Cards or My Cards section within your account dashboard to view your new rewards card. Step 5. Select your rewards card from the list and look for the Activate Card button or link. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 6. Enter your card's information, including the full card number, expiration date, and security code when prompted for verification. Step 7. Once your card is activated, look for the Rewards or Points Balance section to view your welcome bonus or any pending points. Step 8. Explore the rewards catalog to understand how to redeem your points. Many BBVA rewards can be used for travel, cashback, gift cards, or statement credits. Make your first purchase with the activated card to start earning additional points automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.